What's up, everybody? It's Jimmy. There's nothing worse than wasting food. You've got leftover egg yolks just chilling in the fridge. But hold on. Don't toss those golden nuggets out. We're taking those yolks from zero to hero with 5 incredible recipes. First up, we're hitting you with a classic lemon curd. This tangy, creamy goodness is perfect for spreading on toast, filling cakes, or just eating straight from the jar. Don't judge. Okay, so here's the game plan. You're going to need about 4 egg yolks, half a cup of sugar, a third of a cup of lemon juice. Make sure it's freshly squeezed for that extra zing, and a pinch of salt. Now whisk all that together in a saucepan over medium heat. And remember, patience is key here, guys. You got to stir it constantly until it thickens up, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Once it coats the back of a spoon, you're good to go. Next, we're traveling to Italy with the king of all pasta sauces, carbonara. This one's so easy it feels like cheating. While your pasta's cooking, grab those leftover egg yolks. 2 per serving should do the trick. Whisk in some grated Parmesan cheese, the good stuff, about a 1/4 cup, and a sprinkle of black pepper. Now this is crucial. Once the pasta's cooked, drain it and immediately toss it with the egg mixture. The heat from the pasta will cook the eggs gently, creating that silky smooth sauce carbonara is famous for. Alright guys, time to get fancy with some creme brulee. This might sound intimidating, but trust me, it's way easier than you think, especially with those leftover egg yolks. You'll need about 4 of them, half a cup of heavy cream, a 1/4 cup of sugar, plus extra for that gorgeous caramelized top, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now whisk the yolks and sugar together until they're pale and creamy. Heat the cream and vanilla in a saucepan. Don't let it boil. Then gradually whisk it into the egg mixture. Pour the whole shebang into ramekins, place them in a baking dish, and fill the dish with hot water until it reaches halfway up the ramekins. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 50 minutes, or until the custard is set but still slightly jiggly in the center. Let them cool completely, then sprinkle with sugar and torch it until it's caramelized to perfection. Bam! You just leveled up your dessert game. Let's switch gears and talk about aioli. This garlicky, creamy sauce takes your dipping game to a whole new level. And guess what? It's the perfect recipe to use up those extra yolks. Here's the deal. You'll need 1 egg yolk, a clove of garlic, minced of course, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and about a cup of neutral oil like canola or grapeseed. Combine everything but the oil in a blender or food processor and pulse it up. Now, here's the fun part. With the motor running, slowly drizzle in the oil until the mixture emulsifies and becomes thick and glorious. Season it with salt and pepper to taste, and get ready to dip everything in sight. Last but not least, we're bringing it home with a classic custard. This creamy, comforting dessert is the perfect way to end any meal, and it's a great way to use up those leftover egg yolks. You'll need about 4 of them, 2 cups of milk, half a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Heat the milk, sugar, and salt in a saucepan over medium heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Whisk the egg yolks in a separate bowl, then gradually whisk in the hot milk mixture. Pour the custard back into the saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring constantly until it thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. Remove from the heat, stir in the vanilla extract, and let it cool slightly before serving. Alright guys, we just blew the lid off those leftover egg yolks. 5 incredible recipes that are easy to make and taste absolutely insane. I'm talking next level deliciousness. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know down in the comments. And hey, while you're there, tell me what other ingredients you struggle with, because I've got a whole arsenal of recipes ready to transform those leftovers into culinary gold. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome food hacks, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!